One of my favorite tools is the Molex custom cable creator. So I've seen customers' eyes light up when we show them how easy it is to make their own cable assembly. It's as simple as selecting your connector, your cable type and length, and the other connector on the other end. It really takes that design element right off the engineer's plates.
Our custom cable creator is an amazing tool. You can get a drawing within 15 minutes as well as a 3D model. We can get samples in your hands within a week to 10 days. And ultimately, it can even help you build a more complex harness if you use it correctly. So we're going to start by selecting our connector type for side A. Once we choose our connector, we'll hit save on that one and it'll kind of push us down to our pinout configurator. So you are able to put custom pinouts in if you would like. For this example, we're just going to choose a 1-to-1 configuration and then it'll push us down to other cable assembly options. So we're going to submit this, and within about 5 or 10 minutes, we're going to get a drawing and 3D model. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll get a quote to Sager, and if you've requested a sample, you'll get that sample usually within 7 to 10 days. It's that simple. You just have to know where to start. I think you'll find that this tool can be very useful at the end of the day.